Good Tuesday morning, Duncan Villains. We gotta stop meeting like this. I'm just kidding. I'll be doing these announcements pretty regularly now. But it is Tuesday, like I said. It's gonna be a busy day. We've got the albums going up at 6. The ratios are going up at 7, so be on the lookout for that from Office Dan. The pull list is also gonna go up, or down rather, at 2. So this is your last chance to get those picks if you want to get something cool, like the Marvel's Blood Hunt. If you're a Blade fan, it looks like they're going to do some crazy bloody things on that. But in the immortal words of Tiffany, with all that being said, we will see y'all later today. And if you got some time to step on in today and see what we've got, I'll be your guide.